It's our pleasure to be in Istanbul for the first time at FI Ingredients. It's been really interesting because we got to meet a new customer that is launching our product in a few months. They will be launching in all the retail pharmacies in Turkey in September. So that was really a good meeting for us to meet them.
We meet a lot of top executives. We meet a lot of our relations in the industry, both purchasers, people from the R&D department, from product development, productions. So it's an excellent platform for us to move ahead.
We thought it would be great for our customers to meet with them here as well, to talk about the business. It started yesterday, and to be honest, it was very crowded as a first day, and today is very helpful, most probably for us, for the customers, for the market as well.
We have been exhibiting in different exhibitions all over the world. Also, FI Istanbul is a very important exhibition for us, and in this year we are very happy for the visitors.
We are quite happy about our number of visitors, both in terms of dairy culture business and our natural color business. All our key customers are here. We are happy to host our key customers, and as the key decision makers are also here.
We are very happy to be here. We believe it's the leading exhibition in Turkey. It's very important for us and also for our customers because they can find all important producers, distributors here in this exhibition. Every year it's becoming much more better, and we have a very nice exhibition this year, and hopefully it will be much more better next year.
Katılımcı ve ziyaretçi sayısının oldukça nitelikli olarak artmış olduğunu gözlemliyoruz.
Bu sene gerçekten katılımcı profilinde ciddi anlamda iyileşme var. Sayının da arttığını söyleyebiliriz.
Geçen senelerden de sanırım en büyük farkı Orta Doğu ve Afrika'dan ciddi anlamda bir katılımcı, ziyaretçi sayısı mevcut.